Whoever said you can't get strong with Pilates hasn't really tried the pretzel. Okay, so you're gonna sit on a mat and you're gonna take a long flex band. Okay, it's a little bit of a setup, so bear with me. You're gonna sit like a mermaid, like this. Now this is especially effective when you do this on an elevated platform such as a reformer. Okay, this is a mat converter. This isn't part of the reformer. This is just a board that's an extra add-on. But this is the carriage that moves back and forth against spring tension. Anyway, I'm on the mat. I'm gonna take the flex band and I'm gonna calmly wrap this around the ball of my foot. And I say it that way because these flex bands can be a little bothersome, and like, I get it. Before I started teaching fitness, I was like, oh, I hate those flex bands. But just try to wrap it around the ball of your foot. And then you're gonna take the ends of the band almost like you're wrapping a present. Now, watch this. You're gonna bring it behind your back into the opposite hand, and then you're gonna switch it. So same side, my right leg in this video is pushing into the flex band. I'm gonna hold it with my right hand. I'm gonna support myself with my left hand on the mat. So you're gonna bring your right knee back a little bit and you're gonna push your ball of the foot into the band. That's all you're doing, okay? Now, see my right knee? It's supported on the mat. So I'm pressing my right knee, stabilizing. My knee's not moving. I'm just pushing the ball of the foot into the band. Okay, so I'm already feeling an intense strengthening in that right glute. This one, right back here, in a good way, because, sorry, my hair's kind of in the way here, but see how my knee is stable? So I'm not lifting my knee up. Now you can add on, and you could try to lift the knee up, but like, why, right? You're doing this exercise to target the glute successfully and safely for knee strength and functionality. Now, when you're done, I would just maybe do this for 1 minute, or you can count to 10 and then do 10 little pulses. It is really, really, really intense right now. So I'm gonna bring my arm all the way around, and then you're gonna bring the right foot and stretch out that hip. Okay, so again, I'm on this elevated platform. If it's too much, you could also just bring your leg down, okay? And then of course, you're gonna try the other side. So now that you know what you're doing, you're gonna switch your legs. You're gonna bring the ball of the foot calmly on the left foot. You're gonna take the ends of the band, okay, like you're wrapping a present. I'm gonna bring it around the other shoulder, and then right hand here, and you're gonna push your knee into the board and press that right foot away. I'm sorry, the left foot away. Sorry, I was distracted because somebody came into my house trying to do this video for you guys before I do some other work. Okay, so all I'm doing is my knee is supported on the board right here. This knee's not moving, okay? And this is called the pretzel. So again, you can do all different variations of this. I'm just showing you the basics. This is gonna tighten up those glutes like you would not believe, and it's just gonna feel so great. So again, I would do 1 minute each. Just doing a little demonstration for you here. You can push out a little further if you'd like, but you're trying to keep your hips and pelvis stable and your knees stable. All right. And then of course, I'm gonna do that final stretch. I'm gonna bring my left knee around and stretch. Woo. Namaste. That feels so good. Now again, you can, because I'm on this elevated platform, if this is too much for you with your hips and back and whatnot, just rest your foot ahead of you. All right, so it's not such a deep bend in that knee. But the goal is that you're just stretching that left hip now. All right, so there you have it, the pretzel. If you want any more, follow for more tips and tricks with Pilates. This is Pilates mat that we did today. And of course, I love Pilates mat and I love Pilates reformer. So follow for more tips, and I'd love to see if we could work together. Thanks.